Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing everything is gone. Your savings, gone. Your investments, gone. Your assets, gone. You open your bank app and your balance shows zero. No safety net, no backup plan, just you. Most people would panic. But here's something fascinating. Many millionaires have actually lost everything at some point in their lives. And yet, they built their wealth again, sometimes even bigger than before. Why? Because they don't rely on luck. They follow a system. So if tomorrow I had to start from zero again, this is exactly what I would do. First, I would focus on building one high-income skill. Because when you have no money, your ability to earn becomes your most valuable asset. Skills like sales, digital marketing, coding, financial consulting, copywriting. These are skills businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for. And when you master a valuable skill, you are never truly broke. You are simply temporarily underpaid. Next, I would do something that most people hate doing. I would live far below my means. Most people start earning more money and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. A better phone, a better car, a bigger house. And slowly, their expenses grow as fast as their income. That is the silent trap that keeps people broke. If I started again from zero, I would keep my expenses low and controlled. Because wealth is not built by how much you earn, it is built by how much you keep and invest. Then, I would focus on my first major milestone, saving my first $10,000. Why this number? Because something powerful happens at that point. Before 10,000, money feels scarce. But after 10,000, you begin thinking like an investor. That money becomes your financial seed. And seeds are not meant to be spent. They are meant to be planted. After that, I would build a second income stream. Because depending on one income is risky. The moment your salary stops, everything stops. So while working my main job, I would start something on the side. Freelancing, consulting, a small online service, a digital product. At first, it might only make a few $100s, but over time, that second income stream becomes financial protection, and eventually, it can even grow bigger than your main job. Then comes the step that changes everything. I would start buying assets. Assets are things that pay you money, stocks that pay dividends, rental properties, small businesses, digital products that sell online. These assets work for you 24 hours a day, even when you are sleeping. And that is when the real shift happens. You stop trading time for money, and money starts working for you. But the most important step is the one most people never follow. I would reinvest almost everything. No unnecessary luxury, no lifestyle inflation, just reinvesting into more assets, more opportunities, more income streams. Because the real secret to wealth is not income, it is compounding. And compounding rewards one thing above everything else: patience. The truth is, building wealth is not complicated, but it does require discipline. If I had to start again from zero, my focus would be simple. Develop a valuable skill. Live below my means. Save the first $10,000. Create multiple income streams. Buy assets. And reinvest consistently. Follow this system long enough, and wealth stops being a dream. It becomes a predictable outcome. If you want to understand how money really works and how ordinary professionals build extraordinary wealth, subscribe to the CFO Desk. Because here, we don't just talk about money, we teach you how to make money work for you. And if this video gave you a new perspective, comment below "Rebuild." Because sometimes starting from zero is exactly what builds everything.